I'm going to show you guys how to look pale and bomb without foundation, and your face is still going to look flawless, I promise you. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. You're welcome. So today's video is going to be like really simple. I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieve a no foundation makeup look. Sounds quite impossible, doesn't it? But I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Like, it's really very easy. For some reason, a lot of people do not like foundation, maybe because they feel like it's too heavy, or it makes their makeup cakey, or it clogs their pores, and you know, those kind of things. But I'm going to show you guys how to look pale and bomb without foundation, and your face is still going to look flawless, I promise you. My lighting is fluctuating, I don't know why, because I don't know, but yeah, I did my brows off camera, as you can see already, because I want this video to be like really straight to the point and short. I don't want it to be too long. I'm going to need a couple of concealers. You're going to need your skin, a concealer that's like your skin shade, like, yes, your skin tone concealer, and a highlighting concealer as usual. Then you're also going to need like a contour concealer, like skin tone concealer. I'm using this concealer from Adventure Makeup. This is like this is a Nigerian brand, so this is the this is the concealer from Adventure Makeup, the LA Girl Pro concealer. I'm going to use the shade Fawn. Yeah, so I'm going to take this concealer now. Wherever I have like dark spots or dark marks, I'm going to put this there. So I'm going to start off over here. This is where I have hyperpigmentation. Wow, this is a bit light even. This is where I have hyperpigmentation. I have a little bit of spots on my forehead. I'm just concentrating this mainly on the parts where I have discoloration. Then on my under eyes, yeah, and this concealer is red toned, like it has a red undertone, so it's also serving like a color corrector for me. Do you get? So around my mouth, there's a bit of discoloration around my mouth. It's not very obvious, but it's there. So yeah, around here, and okay, I think this is it. This is like all the places where I have discoloration, yeah? So I'm going to blend this out real quick with my brush, just a little blending brush, yeah? So I'm working really fast because this concealer is quite matte, so it dries very fast. Oh my gosh, I forgot to prime my face. Jesus Christ. Wow. But anyways, like, I'm supposed to prime my face, and I was planning to use this Rimmel long lasting. Can this thing not just show focus? But this is what the primer looks like. I use it a lot here on my channel. I was supposed to use that. Oh, sweet Jesus, how can I forget to prime my face? But anyways, I'm just blending out the places I put the concealer really quickly, because like I said, this concealer dries very fast, like very fast. So I'm blending really quickly, and I'm going over my eyes too, because I have discoloration around my eyes as well, so we want to cover that up. I'm blending over here as well. Just blend. See what I'm saying? Like the concealer dries really fast, so you have to work fast if you're using this. I'm going to use this makeup misting spray, makeup fix spray, whatever. I'm going to spray my face just so that it gets wet a bit for me to blend. Yeah, this is doing it now. So I'm blending quickly. I do this most of the time, like when I want to go out but I don't really feel like doing much makeup on my face. I just do this, and it looks a bit crazy right now, but it's going to look better. On now. now. I'm taking this brush. It's a foundation brush. There's nothing on it. I'm just going to use this to go over everything again. Okay, so everything is properly blended, and we're good. So I'm going to take some setting powder because you want to set your concealer at all times. This one is from Glam Beauty Pro, and my little powder puff, and I'm going to set my under eyes especially. So I'm taking some powder, I'll dust it on my hand, and here I'm setting. You don't really need to bake, just set. You can see my whole face already looks really nice. Like, it already looks like I have foundation on, but I don't. So now I'm going to take the contour concealer and do a little bit of contour. So I'm just going to place this here and here. Yep, I'm going to blend this now. So now my contour is properly blended. You're also going to need your face powder, like, because you're not wearing foundation, you're going to need like a really full coverage powder. So I'm taking this MAC Studio Fix powder. This powder is like really full coverage and it gets the job done. A dupe for this is the Milani powder, the Milani pressed powder. That's like really good. I used to have that. It's really good as well. So I'm going to take this and my brush, and I'm going to set my whole face. See how my face looks already. Like, my face looks really nice already. So I'm going to take my powder contour, and I'm going to set the contour, like, just really lightly. My forehead, and then I'm going to contour my nose as well. Face looks like, can you see? Can you see? Blush now, and you guys know I go a little bit ham with blush. I'm doing a little bit of highlight now. And we're done with the face. Can you guys see? Let me just do a quick eye look. So I'm going to take the same contour kit I used and just put that on my crease. So I'm going to do a quick little liner. My left eye is a bit red because I poked it while I was trying to apply my lashes. But I'm okay. So I'm going to spray my face now with the same setting mist I used earlier on. So, like, you know, set everything in place. No, let me do this first. I'm going to take a little bit of powder, like a lighter setting powder than the one I used earlier on. What is this? This is the setting powder. This is like a banana powder. I'm going to take a little bit just to brighten my under eye. Done like a bold lip makeup on my channel, so I'm going to do something bold. Guys, this is the final look. Like, can you see how good my face looks? Can you beat that? Like, see my face looks so flawless. Like, you cannot even tell that I don't have foundation on. Can you see my face? Can you see? You cannot tell I don't have foundation on. So if you've been considering going like foundationless for your makeup, like, you can do that, my dearest, my beloved. You can do that. And you know, I was talking about using another concealer, which is this brighter concealer, to highlight, but after blending out my face, I realized I did not really need it. That's why I did not use it. But my face still looks really good, like really pink, really beats. It looks like full glam. This is not just any glam, this is still full glam. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So you guys, thank you so much for hanging out with me. If you stay to the end of this video, you're a real one. Thank you. Thanks, I love you. And yeah, so this is the end of the video. Thanks for staying to the end. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.